We start this project with an 8-ounce piece of scrap leather. And here's the original design that I came up with. I cut out the paper design and then transferred it to a piece of plastic for a mock-up, decided I didn't like it, so I created another paper design here, and I also transferred this one to a piece of plastic as a mock-up as well. This size is going to work much better. Happy with the size, I transfer it to a piece of that leather, cut it out, and this is what I'm going to start with. You can kind of get an idea of how thick that 8-ounce leather is. With the design cut out, I find 2 more pieces of scrap leather, same thickness, and what I'm going to do here is just stack these up, just like this. We're going to glue them all together. For the glue, I just use simple contact cement. You can see I've already got the one design glued on the outside here, making sure that I've got a good side of the leather facing out. And you can see I've got triple thickness there, and that should work very well. I'll let this cure for about 20 minutes, and then I'll cut out the design. So now the entire tool is cut out here. As you can see, front and back. Layering the leather and then cutting it out gives it a good die cut appearance. Everything turned out nice and smooth. The only difficult part of the process was cutting out that center hole, and for that I just used a rounded end punch back to back. Hopefully you can see here how I sanded and beveled all the edges. I used a scribe and marked in a freehand stitch line. Once the holes were punched, I went back and grooved through each one of those holes. And lastly, I got the entire project under die. Now all the stitching is done, time to slick the edges and put some wax on this thing. And here we have the finished product. Using 3 layers of 8 to 10 ounce leather creates good stability for this thing. It's extremely rigid and lightweight. It has no metal in it whatsoever, so for any application where metal would be prohibited, you could have something like this, and there you go. So I hope this little video gave you an idea of how you could make a self-defense tool out of leather, and if it did, well, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to leave a comment below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.